Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a put on Thinkorswim. First, understand that a put option grants you the right, but not the obligation, to sell an underlying asset at a predetermined strike price before or on a specific expiration date. This can be a powerful tool if you anticipate a stock's price will decline. We'll walk through navigating the platform, finding the right option, and placing your order with confidence. Let's get started on mastering this strategy. Once you've identified the asset, use the search bar to pull up its option chain. Here, you'll see various expiration dates. Pick one that gives your trade enough time to develop, perhaps 1 or 2 months out. Then, look at the strike prices. A strike price below the current stock price means the put is in the money, offering immediate intrinsic value. Consider your risk tolerance and profit potential when making your selection. After selecting your desired put, click on its ask price to bring up the order entry tool. You'll see the bid and ask prices, which represent what buyers are willing to pay and sellers are asking. For better control, consider using a limit order to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. Always double-check the quantity, strike price, expiration date, and total cost before clicking Confirm and Send to place your order. Once your put order is filled, it's crucial to monitor your position. Keep an eye on the underlying stock's movement and your put's value. If the stock drops as expected, your put will increase in value. You can close your position by selling the put back into the market. Remember, options lose value as they approach expiration, so don't wait too long. Manage your risk and take profits when your target is met.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.